What's up, virgins, and what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another mail time. We got a couple packages that came in today, so we're gonna bust right into them. First tee today, this is coming in from round 2. We have the In Memory of Aaliyah tee, Try Again 1979 to 2001. Got a nice chunk of it taken out of the top, but we're gonna see what we can do to repair that. Second shirt was actually a trade to my friend Colin. I traded him a 1990 9-inch nail shirt for this Green Day Dookie Tour 1994 shirt. This is on Anvil, single stitched all around. Here's a little bit of the tag for you. So major shout out to Colin for this trade. I'm gonna be wearing the hell out of this one. Third package is from a new friend of mine, Nick Slater, at Drips Again Vintage 2. We went ahead and traded my distressed Donkey Kong tee for these two tees here. We have the Freddy vs. Jason. This is an early 2000s print. I believe it's 2004. This is on Gildan, but I really couldn't pass it up. Final shirt, guys, and this is what we got. We have a 90s really faded Evil Dead shirt. I don't see too many of these promo shirts, and this specific design I really haven't seen. So that's it for my second episode of Mail Time with Virgin Thrifts. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and most importantly, follow me on Virgin Thrifts. Peace.